Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify domain error needs attention, okay, or SSL pending. Now if you can see in the next your domain name needs attention or SSL pending, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys the solutions for this problem. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. After you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, as you can see here. After that, after you click on settings, guys, you want to click on domains, okay? So I just linked these random domains to the Shopify. As you can see, it says here needs attention, SSL pending. Now if you can see here SSL pending or needs attention, you just need to click on the domain name. Now here you will find the reason why it says it needs attention, why your domain name needs attention. Keep in mind that if you just connected your domain name, it will take up to 48 hours. So that's like, it will take like 48 hours. So if you see that needs attention, it will clear on its own after 48 hours. It will disappear from like your domain name, and your domain name is going to work perfectly. Now for now, you just need to check if the website works perfect. Like just open your website and see if everything works. If it works, then just ignore this message. This doesn't have to be true all the time. Now if you see here an error that says like something like check your DNS settings or something like that, and you checked your DNS settings and it's correct, like the domain is pointing to Shopify, and still you see this message, it doesn't have to be true. Like I said, it will clear on its own. Just give it some time. Now that's exactly what happened, okay, on my other Shopify stores. Or if you see like SSL pending, that means you will have to wait 48 hours, okay? Now also, I just for example, if that's a third-party domain, you may need to make changes to the domain DNS settings to connect it directly with your store. So you need to go to the third party, for example the GoDaddy or whatever, and then check if the domain is pointing like to Shopify, okay? Make sure like to make changes to the domain DNS settings to connect it directly with your store, okay? So like I said, this doesn't have to be true, okay? If your website works, just ignore this needs attention or SSL pending, because that's not a problem at all. Like you just need to go and check if your website works perfectly. That's exactly what you guys need to do, okay? Or you just click on and then see the message. You can see the reason why your domain needs attention here, and then check and then fix that, okay? Because this is going to be different for everyone. Some people some people have different, like everyone is going to have a different problem here. Some people, they have different reason for their needs attention message. So just click on the domain name, and like when you click on it, you will see the reason here. Like I said, wait 48 hours if you just connected your domain name, and that's exactly what you need to do, okay? So if this one, guys, helped you, drop a like, and see you guys in the next one. If you want to learn more about this problem, click the video in the screen. I will leave a link to I will leave a video in the screen right now. Click on it and it will help you solve the needs attention error on your Shopify. Hopefully this video, guys, helps you. See you guys next video.